Alright, hey guys, this is Spiked BMX. This is my bike, and let's get started off on our bike check. Alright, so to start in the front, I have kink Linux bars with Colt waffle grips and Colt bar ends. The stem is stock, fork stock. The wheel is stock, the hub is stock, but I do have a Kenda contact orange tire, and they're really nice. Some people say they don't last for very long, but they actually do last like really long. I've had them for like about 2 months now. Haven't worn like any. There's just like some dirt marks on them, and they still feel like really smooth. Alright, and right now I am running the Mongoose 540 frame. It's just stock, but I'm probably gonna get the stolen cherry frame. So yeah, I might do another bike check once I get that, and I might get some new pedals and a new front wheel. Also, I have the Sean Sexton kink seat. It has like 2 little daggers right here. It's a pivotal seat with my animal golden seat post. Really sweet. Pivotal works like really well. I prefer it over rails because I just do. It's really nice. And the seat is actually really cushiony. Like as you can see, it goes like it's like jelly kinda. But I don't sit down that much, even though it's really comfortable. And also my pedals are the Animal PC pedals, Animal Hamilton PC pedals. They're actually not that bad. They're really nice and trans purple. They don't spin that much, but they're alright. I might have tightened too much, so that's why they're not spinning. But they don't cut into your legs or anything. They're pretty grippy. I like that. So, and also, hold on, I just have to flip the bike around. I have stock cranks. You know, it's like cranks are pretty expensive. Don't have the money to repair them or replace them. My sprocket is stock. My chain is stock. And yeah, that's it for that. Now for my back wheel. My back wheel has stock hub, stock rim, and I have another Kenda contact blue tire back here, orange in front, blue in back. So yeah. This is my bike. This is Spiked BMX. My name is Sean, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright, bye.